The holiday season is a time of joy, celebration, and togetherness. In Flower Mound, homeowners take pride in decorating their homes with festive lights to spread holiday cheer. However, the hassle of installing, removing, and storing traditional Christmas lights can take away from the holiday spirit. That's where permanent Christmas lights come in, a beautiful, hassle-free solution that keeps your home looking festive year-round. Here's how permanent Christmas lights can help you create a magical holiday atmosphere while adding value and convenience to your home. Enjoy a festive look all year round. Unlike traditional string lights that require time-consuming setup and removal, permanent Christmas lights are professionally installed and designed to last. These high-quality LED lights are discreetly placed along your roofline, eaves, or landscaping, allowing you to celebrate every season with customizable colors for different holidays and occasions. Keep your home beautifully lit with elegant white lighting for year-round curb appeal. Avoid tangled wires and broken bulbs, ensuring a hassle-free holiday experience. With permanent lighting, your home remains holiday-ready with just the touch of a button. Energy-efficient and cost-effective lighting. Many homeowners worry about the energy consumption of holiday lighting. Permanent Christmas lights are designed with energy-efficient LED technology, offering several advantages. Lower electricity bills compared to traditional incandescent lights. Longer lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Eco-friendly operation, minimizing waste and carbon footprint. By switching to permanent LED holiday lights, you can enjoy stunning displays without the extra cost of high energy bills. Customizable and smart control features. One of the biggest benefits of permanent Christmas lighting is its customization options. With smart control features, you can change colors and patterns for different holidays: red, white, and blue for the 4th of July, pastels for Easter, or spooky orange for Halloween. Adjust brightness and animations for a dynamic, eye-catching display. Schedule automatic lighting to turn on and off based on your preferred schedule. Smart technology ensures effortless holiday decorating, so you can focus on making memories instead of climbing ladders. Enhance curb appeal and increase property value. Beyond the holidays, permanent lighting adds a sophisticated touch to your home's exterior. Whether illuminating architectural features or enhancing your landscaping, these lights create a warm, welcoming ambiance for guests and visitors. Improve nighttime visibility and security, deterring potential intruders. Boost property value, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. A well-lit home stands out in the neighborhood, offering both beauty and functionality. Safe and professional installation. Installing traditional Christmas lights can be dangerous, involving ladders, tangled wires, and exposure to harsh weather. With professional permanent light installation, you eliminate the risk of falls and injuries. Ensure secure, weatherproof wiring that withstands the elements. Receive expert placement for a polished, seamless look. A professional installation guarantees durability, safety, and top-tier performance, giving you peace of mind all year long. The convenience of never having to take down lights again. Say goodbye to the annual chore of removing Christmas lights. Permanent lights stay in place year-round, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the holidays with family and friends. Avoid climbing ladders and entangling wires every season. Keep your home looking festive without the extra effort. With no need for storage or reinstallation, permanent Christmas lights offer ultimate convenience for busy homeowners. Make your home a holiday showstopper in Flower Mound. Flower Mound is known for its community spirit and festive holiday displays. With permanent Christmas lights, your home can be the highlight of the neighborhood with a dazzling, professional look. Create memorable holiday traditions for your family. Sync lights with music for a spectacular synchronized show. Your home will radiate holiday magic, making every season feel extra special. Final thoughts. Invest in permanent holiday lighting for a magical home. If you love the holiday season but dislike the hassle of hanging and taking down Christmas lights, permanent lighting is the perfect solution. With customizable displays, energy efficiency, and year-round beauty, it's a smart investment that transforms your home's ambiance effortlessly. Ready to create a stunning holiday atmosphere without the stress? Contact a trusted permanent Christmas light installer in Flower Mound today and let your home shine brightly all year long.